5 reasons your home loan was rejected and how to fix it. Got rejected for a home loan? Don't panic. A no from one bank doesn't mean you can't buy a home. Here are 5 common reasons your mortgage was declined and how to fix it fast. First, job probation or unstable income. If you've just switched jobs, most lenders want to see at least 3 to 6 months of steady employment or history in the same industry. Second, high credit limits, even with zero balance. Unused credit cards or buy now pay later accounts reduce your borrowing power. Reduce those limits or close them before applying. Third, underestimating your living expenses. Banks look closely at your actual bank statements. Clean up your discretionary spending 3 months before you apply. Fourth, lack of genuine savings. Lenders don't just want a deposit, they want to see a history of disciplined savings over 3 to 6 months. Fifth, applying to the wrong lender. Every bank has different lending criteria. Just because one bank said no, doesn't mean another won't say yes. At Excellence Finance, we help clients match with the right lender and structure their application for approval. Want to fix your home loan application? Book a free 15-minute mortgage assessment using the link in the description and let's get you approved.